Hello, my precious one. Greetings to you all. Do not throw your overripe plantain away anymore. After this video, you will know it's the best snack ever. Let's embrace it. Make yourself comfortable. Let's get right into it. Sometimes you have this ripe plantain in your home. You think you cannot make use of it again. It's too ripe for frying. You throw it into a trash bin. Guys, it's the best snacks you can ever eat. Just keep watching. Why not share this video? Don't wait to finish it before you share it. It will be a blessing to someone else out there. Just keep watching. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. And if today is your first time coming across this humble family, please go ahead and subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And I am uploading soon again. So at this point, once I am done peeling it, I have done slicing it, I will go ahead and crack my egg one after the other. I'm using 3 eggs. I will crack it one after the other and I'll add it to the blender also. Please help me to share this video. Let it go viral. Let it be a blessing to other people. Once I am done with the egg, I'll go ahead and add a liquid milk, a medium cup. And I'll add a melted butter also, a brown sugar. So I will go ahead and blend it until it's perfectly smooth. So after blending, so this is how it looks like. I will transfer into a bowl. So I'll go ahead and measure 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I will add 1 spoon of baking powder, nutmeg, a pinch of salt. I will just go ahead and mix it. Mix it until it's perfectly smooth and combined. Once the texture is like this, know that you are done. So at this point, I have started preheating my oil. Once you are about to fry this, make sure you have a bowl of water beside you. So once you see that your oil is set for it, so just this is how you scoop it inside your oil. Start with a low heat. Once you see that it's progressing, the color has started changing a little bit, or after less than 5 minutes, you can use a medium heat. So this is the left one of it, and I'm going to repeat that again, and I will repeat that one to finish it. So this is how I'm going to stir fry. Do this often to avoid it burning, to avoid one side is not well cooked. If you want to see this golden color that you are seeing on it, so you have to just keep stir frying just like this. Oh my God, guys, one of the best snacks I have ever eaten is this. I don't really know how I can describe it, but whenever I make it in my house, before the next day, you will not find a trace of it, because once you eat one, you will love to eat the second one. Whenever I make this, I can prefer it to eat this without eating any other things that day. Guys, once you put it in your mouth, it melts right in your mouth. It's so good and so yummy. Guys, just look at it. Oh my God. You will not really understand until you try it yourself. It's really, really good and really amazing. The taste, oh, I can't describe it, guys, but it's really wonderful. Can you see? Just look at it. Guys, I am done frying it. So this is the end result. Can you see how it goes? Even the more it stays longer under your roof, the more it becomes more softer. Once you put it in your mouth, it melts right in your mouth. Guys, if you have not loved this video, you have not liked this video, please go ahead and do so. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.